Hi guys and welcome. Before we begin, please support this small channel by hitting the subscribe button. We're growing rapidly and your support means everything. So today we're going to talk about a very special lithium play in the market. I have covered the role of lithium and how important it is in the next automotive revolution a lot before. You guys know that lithium will literally be the fuel of mobility in the next 5 to 10 years. Kathy Wood of ARK Invest expects the EV sales to rise to over 26 million in 2023. That is over 20-fold increase. To sustain this massive growth and enable low cost of EV, a steady supply of lithium is required. Thankfully, there are some really cool companies that have come up with the answer to this lithium problem. Here to meet the growing demand of lithium, we have United Lithium Corporation trading as ULTHF as an OTC stock. This is a Canadian company with a total market cap of just over $34 million. So, what is this United Lithium Corp and what are they into, you might ask? They are in a lithium exploration and development play. The company is already working with two historically prospective locations in Sweden and Canadian's lithium sector. To put it shortly, they acquire lithium projects around the world. Once they develop and process the lithium, they generate the revenue by selling the lithium for lithium-ion batteries. Now that you know a little bit about the company, let's get into why United Lithium Corp. Well, other than the obvious reason that this company is literally the fuel of the future, United Lithium Corp has already given its investors a good return. In the last 3 months alone, the stock has seen a return of approximately 37%. And in the last year, the stock has rocketed up to almost 900%. At this stage, the company is not generating any revenue. However, one needs to see the long-term play and ask if the company's product will fill a rising need in the near future. To me, the answer clearly seems a yes. United Lithium is also cash positive. By this, I mean that they have more cash than debt on their balance sheet. Potential investors can be rest assured that there will not be a cash flow problem with United Lithium Corp. So let's take a closer look at those two sites I spoke about earlier. So United Lithium owns the Burbee Project in Sweden. The Burbee Project is a newly discovered lithium deposit located in central Sweden. This project is very close to the world-famous Woxna graphite mine and also the new Northvolt lithium battery gigafactory. The Burbee Project also has access to transportation, infrastructure, labor, and equipment. The last thing you want as an investor is that company that you invested in having supply chain or production blockages. The Burbee Project has very good access to fresh water and has low processing costs via cost-effective surface. This means that the company will not have to spend a lot of money to extract lithium from the hard rocks. You guys also know that water is very important to process rare earth metals. So these both factors play a very positive role for the Burbee Project. The strategic position of the project in Europe is a very smart move. The EU market is the second biggest EV market in the world and the Burbee Project could massively benefit from this. And with the new Tesla Gigafactory almost ready to start production, EU will need easy access to lithium nearby to ensure a stable supply of the metals. Their Canadian project, named Project Barbara, is also looking very impressive with around 56 mining claims covering a whopping over 2,000 hectares of land in the Barbara Lake area of Thunder Bay Mining District in Ontario, Canada. The United Lithium Corp's leadership also seems to hit the right notes. The CEO of the company, Michael Den, has over 20 years of experience in the mining industry. He is experienced in geology and also has experience leading many publicly traded companies. This is very good. To me, this says that the head of the company knows the business very well and understands how publicly traded companies work. Lastly, here are my thoughts about the company. So, there is no denying that lithium is the future of mobility. Lithium demand is about to skyrocket and we desperately need to keep up with the supply. As more and more EVs hit the road, the steady supply of lithium will be imperative to keep up. The United Lithium Corp is positioned to be in the right space to meet with the demands. We have already seen what happens when there is a shortage of major elements in the EV supply chain. NIO, a leading Chinese EV company, had to shut its factory for 5 days due to shortage of semiconductors. The demand of lithium is fast approaching and we need to be prepared. This is a brief introduction into the company. If you want to find out more about it, then the link to the company is in the description below. I am in no way a financial advisor, so if you find United Lithium Corp interesting to invest in, then you must do your own due diligence before investing. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. I hope you have a successful day.